We know the definition of Laplace transform. Laplace transform of f of t is equal to integration of 0 to infinity e raised to minus st f of t dt. So we solve the problems on this definition of Laplace transform. Solve the integration between 0 to infinity e raised to minus 2t into sin cube t dt. Here we apply the definition of Laplace transform. By definition of Laplace transform, here we write e raised to minus st f of t dt is equal to Laplace of f of t. So we compare this differential equation with given equation. Here you see in the both integration, here the term is e raised to minus st and here the term is e raised to minus 2t, and here f of t is the same as sin cube t. So here first we apply the definition. So integration of 0 to infinity e raised to minus st, here we substitute only the value of sin cube t because coefficient of exponential term is as a f of t. So we take a f of t as a sin cube t. So sin cube t into dt is equal to Laplace of sin cube t. Hence we simplifying this Laplace transform of sin cube t by using the formula of trigonometric function. We know sin 3 theta. Sin 3 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Okay, so similarly sin 3t is same as 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t. So by using this equation we find the value of sin cube t. So sin cube t is 4 sin cube t equal to 3 sin t minus sin 3t. Shift these terms to left hand side and sin 3 to right hand side. So 4 sin cube t becomes 3 sin t minus sin 3t. So sin cube t is equal to divide 4 on both sides, sin t minus sin 3t. Now we substitute the value in this formula. So integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus st sin cube t dt is equal to Laplace transform of 1 by 4 in bracket 3 sin t minus sin 3t. Separate the Laplace on this minus sign. In here first term, here 1 by 4 is a constant term, so we take an outside and we take a Laplace of, again here 3 is a constant term, so 3 sin t minus Laplace of sin 3t. And we know the formula of Laplace of sin at. Laplace of sin at is Laplace of sin at is equal to a upon s square plus a square. But in first term here the value of a is a 1 and in the second term here value of a is 3. So we substitute the value of a in first and second term. So 1 upon s square plus 1 square minus here is a 3 upon s square plus 3 square. 3 in both terms, so we take a 3 common, so 3 by 4 in bracket 1 upon s square plus 1 minus 1 upon s square plus 3 square is a 9, which is the value of integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus st sin cube t dt. But we have to find the value of integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus 2t sin cube t, and we calculate the value of the integration, which is integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus st sin cube t dt. Hence here we substitute the value of s. So s is equal to 2. Hence this equation becomes e raised to minus 2t sine cube t dt is equal to 3 by 2. Here we substitute both side by s is equal to 2. So 2 square is 4, 4 plus 1 is a 5. Similarly 1 upon 2 square plus 9. 2 square is a 4, 4 plus 9 is 13. So 3 by 4, 1 by 5 minus 1 upon 13. Now we simplifying this bracket. 3 by 4 as it is. Here the term is, take a cross multiplication. 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5 is 8 divided by 5 into 13, which is 65. 1 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, so 6 upon 65. This is the solution of this integration term. Hence we calculate the value of integration is 6 upon 65. Similarly, we see the next example. We have to calculate the value of integration e raised to minus 3t, 3 raised to t raised to 3 dt. So first we write the definition of Laplace transform. Integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus st f of t dt is equal to Laplace of f of t. So we compare both these equation, we get the value of f of t, because we want only the value of f of t, and we find the Laplace of this t. So here f of t is t raised to 3 dt equal to Laplace transform of t raised to 3. This 3 is a positive integer, so we write Laplace transform of t raised to 3 as a 3 factorial upon s raised to 3 plus 1, because if n is a positive integer, in that case Laplace of t raised to n is n factorial upon s raised to n plus 1. So here the value of n is 3 factorial. 3 factorial is 6 upon s raised to 4. At last we substitute the value of s, e raised to minus st t raised to 3 dt. Here the s is 3, because we find the integration term, which is integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus 3t t raised to 3 dt. So here the value of s is, when we compare both these equation, we get the value of s, which is 3. So we substitute here s as a 3. So we put s is equal to s is equal to 3 integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus st, sorry, e raised to minus 3t t raised to 3 dt is equal to 6 upon 3 raised to 4. 3 raised to 4 is 81. So 6 upon 81 is same as 2 upon 27. 1 3 get cancelled. So this is the value of the integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus 3t t raised to 3 dt is equal to 2 by 27. Thank you.